Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have a new hiring opportunity for freshers for the role of Java developer, software engineer, associate software engineer, and many more. So let's move to the hirings. So first we have from Blenheim Chalcot. The role is Java engineer. Location will be Mumbai. Let's first talk about the roles and responsibility that you handle in day-to-day life. Design and develop, analysis, document, and support testing product. You will also be expected to coordinate with team member to identify software needs and solutions. You will also proactively identify issue and document best practices, guide system design. In line with that, you will also participating in design and code reviews. So let's talk about the key responsibility for this role. Strong analytical thinking, and you have a good problem solving skill, appropriate judgment, and you have a good decision making skills, strong attention to details. In addition, proven ability to effectively manage timeline and commitment to collaboration and teamwork. And you have to first write your name, first name, and then last name, email ID, phone number, attach your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, website, and some more questions regarding location, notice period, and your expected annual compensation. You can read this all. Are you interested in this role? You get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. And next we have from Cisco, software development test and automation engineer. The location will be Bangalore. Cisco is hiring for the role of software development, and here are the responsibilities of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. We are looking for an engineer with passion of software development, necessary skill to learn new technology. So let's talk about the requirements. Ability to write software in C and C++ or Python, and you have a good knowledge and understanding of networking fundamental and including TCP and IP protocol, and you have a good ability to learn and effectively apply new technologies and tools. Additionally, proven analytical and problem solving skills. Similarly, you have understanding of wireless networking technologies like 802.11. You have a proficiency in additional language besides C, C++ or Python like Java, HTML, JS. Knowledge of data structure and algorithm. In line with that, you will also have experience in troubleshooting and problem solving with coding and testing. So you get the link in the description box. Just go and apply if you are interested in this role. And next we have from Angular Minds. The role is fresher software engineer, and here are the job description. You can read this. Let's first talk about the key responsibilities that you handle in day-to-day life. Collaborate with senior developer and team members to design, develop, test and deploy high quality software solutions. Following these, to write maintainable, efficient code following best practice and industry standards. And you have to participate in code review. Engage in continuous learning to stay updated. In line with that, you will also handle troubleshoot and debug applications. Moreover, you have to contribute to all phases of development lifecycle. And here are the requirements. Bachelor Master degree in computer science, information technology or related field are welcome to apply for this role. Strong understanding of computer science fundamental including algorithm, data structure and object oriented programming. And you have a good basic knowledge of web development technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, and good knowledge of programming language like Java, Python, and you have an excellent problem solving and strong communication skills. Competitive starting salary is 3 LPA, and here are the selection process. First, you have to qualify aptitude test, evaluate your problem solving and analytical skills. Then you have to face programming machine test. If you qualify these two tests, then you are welcome to technical interview round. After technical round, you have to qualify HR round. Here is the form of application. Attach your latest resume. So next we have from OSI System. The role is Associate Software Support Engineer. Location will be Hyderabad. And here are the responsibility: coding and testing program module that meet design specification. In line with that, you will also handle debugging and troubleshooting. Let's talk about the requirements for this role. Excellent understanding of object oriented programming, and you have a intermediate programming skill in Java. And here is the bonus point: knowledge of Spring Hibernate is plus point. BE, BTech, ME, MTech are welcome to apply for this role. The branches EEE, ECE, CSE, MCA. So what are you waiting for? Just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. So like the video, smash the subscribe. Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round.